Life in the rainforest is full of beauty and hard work. This week I've been harvesting food, I'm so proud, and building our off-grid art studio. Last week, after a very long time restoring doors, I finally finished them and hung them up, and now it's time to build a wall. Before this renovation, this place was looking pretty messy, so now, once the doors are hung, it's looking so beautiful and I'm really excited to continue the renovation. Okay, today I'm gonna fill in this whole doorway and I'm gonna build a wall here instead. It used to be a door, now it's gonna be a wall. It's gonna be so much better. The access is so much more smooth. You can see the cute green doors now. There's not all these maze systems through there. I'm very excited by how this project is going. And I think I can build a wall fast, surely. Okay, I'm about to make big noises, so you might not want to be around. But I can't if you keep being cuddly, because you're too cute. Oh, you're so beautiful. Your tail is hitting you in the face. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, okay, fine. I'll do something else in the meantime because you're too cute. Oh. It's noggin time. My next step is to pull these little boards off and then I'm going to replace them with long boards that go the whole way. But my problem is I can't find the wrecking bar anywhere, the big one or the small one. I don't know where I put them. So I'm going to have to try to do it with a hammer. That's not going to work. I need a wrecking bar. Why am I so hopeless at using tools? What if I use a chisel? Who needs a wrecking bar? Chisel does everything. Chisel wins tool of the week. This really would have been so much easier if I had the wrecking bar, but that's pretty fun. First board goes in. I just realized that I forgot to do a bottom plate. That's really not good. I was silly. I think it'll be fine. It's only a tiny stretch. Okay, but next time I need to remember that. Okay, so this is definitely something I should have thought about before, but I've got 3 left and I kind of need to fit them all in, so I think I'll try to put all 3 in kind of at the same time so that I can wiggle them around. I thought I was being so smart and I made it so all of these are connected but not nailed down yet, and then I was going to push them in and then lay them flat so that it all kind of had enough room so that it could get in there. But there's a gap this big, so I don't know. I think maybe I've been putting these really tight and over time that accumulated until there's a gap this bloody big. So I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can kind of sit them apart a bit, but I doubt it. And then if not, I don't know what to do. I made a wall! I'm very excited. It's a bit gappy, but I fixed it by just kind of making them as far apart as I could. So I kept just like, for these 5 boards, just making the gaps a little bit wider. So in some of them you can kind of see the light coming through, which isn't great. But I'll just put some gap filler in there and then it should be fine. I'm excited, yay! This is what I call an emergency noggin, and it's for when you forget a bottom plate and so you put it in and then you can nail the boards from the other side into it. In between building, I've been making sure to have some time to relax too. Me and my friends went to a waterhole and jumped in the cool pools. This fairy hole is the perfect place to chill under the rainforest canopy, and I think it's always important to balance the hard working of building with the softness of relaxing. This is a plantain and it's ready. I mean, one of them's already ripe, which is kind of not good because I like to eat it raw, so I've definitely got to cut it, but I'm surprised the birds haven't got to it yet. Have you got your stick? Come here! Come here! Come here! No, you got your stick, you're not going to come. Come here! Have you got a stick? You got a stick. Have you got a stick, Clover? Not in the garden. No, Clover! Clover, the garden! Okay, come, you're allowed to get off the garden. Come here. You come rest in the soil. No, not back to the garden, Clover! Okay. Off the ground. Ta-da! Question is, can I hold it on my back like a real banana farmer? It's so heavy. It's not as heavy as my other bunches. Oh, I don't know how they do it. I'm gonna get sap on me. Maybe like that. That works. I'm so proud. This is the first plantain that I've harvested from the plantains that I replanted here. Our opa always had them planted across the ridge and he called them cooking bananas. I never knew what that was, and then I realized it was plantains, and the patch he had was almost all gone. The sheep had almost eaten every single last one. So I desuckered them and planted the suckers here, and now I've got this little mini orchard and they're all plantains and they're so delicious. But I've never eaten one from this orchard, so it's very exciting. It's a big moment. Now I'm gonna cut the rest of this down and I'll just use it to mulch the soil here, and then the little ones can grow around it. That'll do. That will do. Yay! The goats ate that one. After squishing half the garden, Clover finally got over his stick. Where did it go? You lost it. You lost it. Clover loves a full body cuddle.
My sister Julia's health has been pretty bad while she recovers from her surgery. All of her other symptoms are flaring up right now, so she's not able to do much, but she's so grateful for all of your support. All I can do is shower her with love and good food, so that's why I'm harvesting plantains, to have a little dinner with some friends, since she can't do much at the moment.
You want your bananas hung up so that no rats or anything can get to them, and then also I like to hang them outside so then they don't have like bugs and stuff in them that I'm bringing inside. But they also kind of need to be somewhere that birds can't get to them, so I hope this spot will be alright, but sometimes the birds come in here. But they'll just slowly ripen. That one is almost ripe, but I actually prefer to eat these green, so I better get eating. The ducks have been sneaking in here and they've been chewing on the chili bushes and eating the capsicums. They're a bit naughty, they're in trouble. excited to taste these. I planted them maybe 18 months ago, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. And now they're finally ripe. They're gonna taste so good. Been watching them grow for years. This is a lacto ferment that I made 2 weeks ago with mango and red onion, and it's really yummy. It's fermented now. It fermented for 5 days at room temperature, and then I've been putting it in the fridge. So I'm just on my way to this really cute community food swap, and so it's at the local hall and everyone comes and just brings things that they've grown and they swap them. So I have these two, like the handle mechanism, and they're both covered in paint because they were covered in paint, so I thought it'd be a good idea to paint over them so that all the lead paint would be encased. But then it started flaking off anyway, so I think it was a bad idea. So I've read that you can boil it in soapy water and that will dissolve all of the paint. So I'm gonna try it. I've got a specific pan that's already got a chip in it, so I'll never use it again because it'll be gross after this. Clover, it's windy. Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in? Hi. Okay, apparently we just boiled that for 10 to 15 minutes and then all the paint will peel off, so I'm excited. I hope that it works. Okay, I'm a bit scared about making toxic fumes, so I'm going to stay away from here. And you too, Clover. So I've been soaking all of the door handles and the hardware from the doors, and I even boiled them for a while, and now they've been soaking overnight. So I'm really hoping all the paint's gonna come off. Hi. So today I am screwing this in and I'm putting the old hardware back on, which I'm very excited about. I'm very proud that I managed to get all of that paint off because that was hard work. Wasn't it, Clover? Door handle time. I think that works. Yay! I almost forgot, but when I got these doors, they didn't have this trim on this one. They only had it on the other three, so I've repainted tested it and fixed it up so that I can put it in. And I think I'll just nail it in. I should have done it when it was off hinges, but I'll just see if it works.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to our patrons. I've been passing on all of your well wishes to Julia and they mean so much, so thank you.